Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how you can download any video from CJ Dropshipping. Okay, so I already made multiple videos about this topic, but some people do want to download it without like the watermark, if that makes sense in the video. So you just need to search for other sellers that have a video without watermark. Now, even if you cannot find that, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove watermark from the video. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to open Chrome web store. Okay, if you are using Windows. If you are using Mac, I believe you can do that too. I don't really know about Mac users. Now, after you open Chrome web store, you want to search here for download videos. Okay, and here you will be able to find many extensions that will help you download videos. Now the one I like the most is this extension. It's called Video Downloader Professional. If you are watching this after 2 years and this extension doesn't exist anymore, you just need to search here for download videos and you will be able to find other alternatives. Okay, they all do the exact same job. Okay, so after that you want to download this, click on add to Chrome and click again on add. Okay, so after you add this to your Chrome, here I already added this to Chrome. Now you want to click here where it says extensions in the top and you want to pin this extension. Click on this pin button here, pin icon here, click on it, and that's all you need to do. Now what you guys need to do next, you just need to go to, I'm sorry, I'm going to use this. Okay, so now you just need to go to CJ Dropshipping and find a video. Now I'm going to search for a random video right now. Now as you can see, let's say that I want to download this video. Just open it, open the product page, and now you want to click on the extension, and as you can see it says here video or found video files. Now you just need to click on, as you can see it already recognized the video. Now you want to click on download, and then you want to select which location. I'm going to save it on desktop, and then click on yes, and then you want to go to desktop and you will find the video. This is the video that we have downloaded. Okay, if it has watermark here in the middle, you can just search on Google for remove watermark from video and you will be able to find a bunch of free websites that will help you do that. Okay, that's exactly how you can do this, guys. If this one helped you, please drop a like and see you guys in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.